Hello everyone, my name is Hitendra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about string class and methods associated with the string class, different string methods particularly. And in the last video we talked about user-defined methods. So in today's tutorial we'll see what is a string and what are the different methods uh, in string. So let's start. So string, so in Java, string represents a sequence of char values. An array of characters works same as Java string. For example, so this is the example given. So I'll talk about this in detail in going forward. And Java string class provides a lot of methods to perform operations on a string. So we'll see different methods and how to perform different operations using those methods. I'll show you. So how to create a string object? So all the string related methods uh, available in java.lang.string package. String basically as a class, and this class is used to create a string object. So there are two ways to create a string object. So by string literal Java string literal is created by using double quotes. For example, string s1 is equal to Selenium, and by using the new keyword we can create the object like in this way. So let me show you. So let me create a new project. Java string finish, and let me create a package inside this src folder. Java string demo, and let me create the class string demo 1, public static void main. And so suppose if I write like this, hello. So this is the one way to create a string. This is the by string literal, and in double quotes. Let me print this. Yes. So it should print hello. And another way is using new keyword and string class s1 equal to new string, and here we'll write inside double quote hello, and let me print this. So this will also print hello. So these are the two ways to create a string object. So but basically to create we use a literal string literal and built-in methods. So today I'm going to talk about string methods. So what is built-in methods basically? So this is or you can say system defined methods. So Java has a library of classes and methods organized in a packages like import java.io.console or import java.io.asterisk, means all the classes inside this package, java.io package. So in order to use built-in methods we need to import packages or classes, and java.lang package is automatically imported in every Java built-in methods. So these are the different categories: string methods, we have array methods, number methods, and character methods. So today we are going to discuss about string methods, and array we are going to discuss in coming session, and number and character methods I'll talk about later on. So let's get started with string methods. So let me delete this. First let's look at compare to method. So Java string compare to method is used to comparing two strings like lexicographically. So I'll tell you what is this lexicographically. So suppose I have one string hello. Another string I have in capital letters, and suppose I have another string. Let's take same hello here. Okay, now let me compare. So string 1 dot, so these are the different methods guys in a string class. So I have taken one string 1, and dot operator. Using dot operator, you can see there are number of methods, like char8 method is there. So we'll discuss about char8. So return, it gives the explanation also. If you mouse over it, returns the carry values that specifies index, and index ranges from 0 to length -1. So if you scroll down, so you'll see number of different methods like concat, contains, equals ignore case, hash code, index of. So there are number of methods present. So right now I'm going to take compare to another string. So here we'll take let's take string 2. Now let me print this. So here it will print 32. So this, I mean, it will print based on the Unicode characters. So based on the range of the Unicode characters. So we have different ranges of Unicode characters, like for small letters A to Z we have from 65 to 97 we have sorry, 90, I guess 90. And I think this is for capital A to Z. And we have for small letters A to Z we have 97 to 122, 22, and 0 to 9 we have range from 48 to 57. So these are the range of the Unicode characters. So in this case, str1, this hello, which represents small characters, which is greater than, so how to write it, which is greater than, right, 97, if you compare with the capital letters. So that's why it prints 32. So basically this is compared to uh, compares in three ways. So if string 1 is greater than string 2, then it will give positive number, positive number. And if str1 less than str2, then it will print negative number, negative number. And if str1 is equal to str2, then 0, 0. I'll show you how it works. So in this case, this one is greater than the other one, so that's why it prints 32. So let me reverse this, str2, and make it str1. So it should print -32. One second, let me comment all this. Yeah, and let me run it again. -32. Now let me compare first and third. Make it first and third. It should print 0. Yeah, 0. So what is the next? Boolean equals, the return type of this equals is Boolean. So the Java string equals method compares the two given string based on the content of the string, case sensitive. So let me write another program. String demo2. String, let me give actual and welcome to Java for Selenium session, and take another string expected. Use the same boolean result actual dot equals method, make it expected here, and let's print result here. So it should print true, because the Java string equals method compare the two given string based on the current content of the string, case sensitive. So this is case wise also both are same, and both the string are same, so that's the reason content wise both are same, so that's the reason it prints true. So let me make it small w here, and let's have a look. So it prints false. And we have another method, equals ignore case. We'll talk about concatenate later after this. So let's see equals ignore case. The Java string equals method compares the two given string based on the uh, content of the string, and not case sensitive. This equal ignore case is not case sensitive. So I'll show you. Equals ignore case, this is very important method we are going to use in Selenium WebDriver testing. So let me, so here you can see welcome, this starting character is in a small letter and this is capital letter, so even though it should print true only, true here, or you can write like this, so you can distinguish very clearly. So true. So this for in case of equals ignore case, there it doesn't matter whether you are in uppercase or lowercase. It does, I mean, it just compare the content should same irrespective of lowercase or uppercase. And we have a concate method, concate two strings to merge two strings. So let's have a look with another example. Make it string 1, string 2, and here you can str1 dot concatenate concat string 2. Now let me print this. See here, two times written welcome to Java for Selenium session, and again this one. You can write like this. Hello guys. So it will merge these two strings. Hello guys, welcome to Java for Selenium session. So the next method is caret. Index position, basically it tells index position. The Java string caret method returns a char value at the given index number. So suppose I want str1 dot caret, and suppose I'll give index position 0, so it should print h here, and 0 1 2 3 4 5. Let me give 5, so we'll see what it prints. I think it should print blank only, nothing will be there, so blank. 5 6, let me give 6, should print g. So from string 1 we want sixth position, so it will print 1 2 0 1. Index starts from 0, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is the sixth position, so it will print g. And contains, this is also very important method, so let me write this dot uh, 2 dot contains. So string 2 contains, let's write Java here, Java, and let me run it. So true, this is boolean, because this string contains Java here, so that's why it prints true here. So let me write C++ here. Definitely it should give it should give false. Yeah, false. So this is how contains works. Another method is to uppercase. So suppose I want to print all these hello guys, these strings in uppercase. So what you can do, string 1 dot uh, to uppercase, to lowercase to uppercase. Yes, so let's have a look. So hello guys, so it prints in uppercase. Similarly we have lowercase dot to lowercase. Yes, so this is in lowercase. And we have a trim method. So trim basically removes extra spaces from both the sides. So suppose we have like this, and str2 dot trim. So let me run it. So you can see it removed the spaces from both the sides, this side as well as this side. So let me write like this. Let me pin for before removing and after removing, so you can understand better. So let me just print tr2 first, and then we'll use a stream method, so you can see that. So here with this spaces here in the beginning, and after that I used trim method, so the space is removed. And we have substring returns part of a string. So substring, so here we'll give begin index. What is the begin index? So part of the string means some part of the string it will show, like let me give 0. So it will print it starts from 0, so it will print a whole string. So let me give 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'll give 8, so it should start from 2. Yeah, it starts from 2. Substring means part of a string. So we have a string welcome to Java for Selenium session, and we want it to print from this range from 2. So we can give a particular index number, and from there it will print. So let me run it again, like say to Java for Selenium session. And we have ends with and starts with boolean. So let me give that start with welcome. So my string 2 should, I mean it starts from welcome. So here I have used one method starts with. So let me, it should print true here, true. Suppose it starts with hello, so it should print false, false, because this string starts with welcome. And ends with is also in the same way we can ends with, yeah. And this is ends with, okay, ends with session. Session, so it should print true here, true. And let me write Selenium here, so definitely it should fail, false. And we have length of this string. So suppose I want length of this one, string 2. So we can write like length. We can print, this is integer, this will give you the int value, so it will give you the complete length of this string. We have replace method as well. Let me just write that, replace old character in new character. So suppose I want s to be old character, s, yeah, capital S, and new s will be h. So let's see. So you can see welcome to Java for instead of h s, I have given here h, replaced with h character. So suppose you want to replace one character with another character, so you can use replace method. So I think we have done most of the methods which we are going to use in Selenium WebDriver testing, in automation testing. And let's have a look some other things in strings. So how to convert string to int. So string is very important in Selenium WebDriver automation testing. So sometimes we have to convert string to integer and integer to string also. So suppose some part of a string, it's in image format where we have to, I mean number is given but it is in string format, so sometimes we have to convert that string into integer. So there are two ways we can convert from a string to integer. So this is the one way, using integer dot parse int method. And another is integer dot value of method. So let's see both the methods. So let me copy paste this one. I'll create another class, string demo 3. So this is in string. I have one string 54321, and I want to convert this into integer. So how to convert? Integer and dot parse int. So it is we have integer class, so inside that we have method called parse int, and we have to put in this parenthesis, it takes one parenthesis, so we'll give this string here. So let me run it. So it will print 5431. So how to, let me perform some action on it. So how do you know like this is in a string? So okay, so let me add some number here, 3. So it should print 54324. 54324. 21 plus 3, 24. So here we go, 24 it prints. And we have another method, value of integer dot value of string. So instead of this we have value of, int, sorry, we have to take value of string, this one, and we have str here, and semicolon. So this should also work. Yes. And yeah, so this is how we can convert java string to int in. So this is the reverse, how to convert from integer to string. So these are the two ways. So let me copy this one. uh, let's override this one. So here I have one integer value, 123, and we have method called in string class we have method called value of this integer variable. So let me print this. See, our string is this one, 123, and after performing the action, 555 plus str, this str, because we have converted this integer to string now. So suppose I want to add in 555 plus integer, this concatenate with this string variable. So it will concat like this, 555 plus 1 555 123, because it converts to a string now. So it will concate the string like this, 555 123. And we have another method, convert integer to string using toString. So this is from string class, another one is from integer class, integer dot toString. And we have to I bar, we have to take a string variable here, sorry, yeah, int variable. And let me print this again. Here we go. So let me just recap. So we have seen a string class in Java. So there are two ways to create the string object. One is this way, sequence of characters. So we can use new using new keyword. Another one is using literal, and we have seen different string methods, and we have covered also like how to convert from string to integer and integer to string. So in the next video, a very important topic, why string object is immutable. So we'll talk about this. This is very important interview point of view as well. So we'll see. So thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.